Hello and welcome to KSGIndia.com. Shepherd test successful. Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin space company launched a new Shepherd rocket for a seventh time from a remote corner of Texas on October 13, 2020, testing new lunar landing technology for NASA that would help put astronauts back on the moon by 2024. The entire flight, barely skimming space with a peak altitude of 66 miles, lasted just 10 minutes. The booster landed vertically back at the launch complex after liftoff, and the capsule followed, parachuting onto the desert floor. In 2018, Blue Origin was one of the 10 companies selected by NASA to conduct studies in advanced technologies to collect, process, and use space-based resources for missions to the Moon and Mars. In 2019, both signed an agreement that gives Blue Origin permission to use NASA's historic test stand as a part of the growing number of partnerships between the space agency and the commercial space industry. New Shepard has been named after astronaut Alan Shepard, the first American to go to the space, and offers flights to space over 100 kilometers above the Earth and accommodation for payloads. Essentially, it is a rocket system that has been designed to take astronauts and research payloads past the Kármán line, the internationally recognized boundary of space. The idea is to provide easier and most cost-effective access to space meant for purposes such as academic research, corporate technology development, and entrepreneurial ventures, among others. The rocket system consists of two parts: the cabin or capsule and the rocket or the booster. The cabin can accommodate experiments from small mini payloads up to 100 kg. As per Blue Origin, the mini payloads provide easier space access to the students who are part of educational institutions that are developing their own space programs for less than the price of the new football uniforms. Further, the cabin is designed for 6 people and sits atop a 60 feet tall rocket and separates from it before crossing the Kármán line, after which both vehicles fall back to the Earth. The system is a fully reusable vertical takeoff and vertical landing space vehicle that accelerates for about 2.5 minutes before the engine cuts off. After separating from the booster, the capsule free falls in space, while the booster performs an autonomously controlled vertical landing back to the Earth. The capsule, on the other hand, lands back with the help of the parachutes. Thank you so very much for watching KSGIndia.com. Stay tuned for more updated and informative videos.